yung dalawang layers dito sa right side. Ano, kasi ito yung uunahin natin na ano na ipapasok. Ayan. Second step. X.
Oh, see the X?
There's
the X.
the X.
Okay.
Pero hindi siya nag-lock doon. You have to put at the other side.
Teacher.
Basta ikom lang ka niya. Ikom. Oh, yun. Kasi yung X. Oh, yun. Put your finger inside so that it will go up. We will insert. Turn. This one again. Insert. Turn again. Until it goes on. Naalam?
Burger.
Taran!
Tada!